Did you ever use the mind movies to reprogram your beliefs about wealth, health, success, your love life? Do you know what mind movies are? Stay with us because this could really change your life. Joe Dispenza and his students use the mind movies to reprogram their limiting beliefs. A mind movie is a short movie that you can make by yourself, and the movie contains the things you would like to achieve with affirmations associated with it. You can make a mind movie for money, you can make a mind movie for health, you can make a mind movie for anything, because you can achieve anything. The best way to use it, as Dr. Joe Dispenza explained on his workshops, events, and in the book Becoming Supernatural, is to make a 3 to 4 minutes long mind movie. But before you watch your movie, you should watch Kaleidoscope for 8 minutes. Maybe you wonder why. It's because watching Kaleidoscope will lower your brainwaves from analytical beta brainwaves to alpha, where you don't analyze things. So your mind movie will have effect just like commercials. When you watch TV for a longer period of time, you go to alpha brainwaves. You're in the state of trance, and everything you see and hear goes to your subconscious mind, and you are much more likely to buy these products. So the idea is to use the same technique, but for positive things. Whatever you see and hear in your mind movie will go directly to your subconscious mind. And as you watch your mind movie day by day, you will accept everything you saw and hear. It will become your beliefs. You will see yourself as a happy, healthy and abundant person. And as Dr. Joe Dispenza proved with his studies and experiments, what we think and believe becomes our reality. Here's what Joe Dispenza says about mind movies.
But you will have gotten so far beyond your body, and your body being conditioned to sit there without bothering you, that when it comes time to dimensionalize an object, your body won't be in the way. And when it comes time to do your mind movie, you won't be preoccupied with your attention. You'll want that experience. And we are going to play the kaleidoscope, because many people, including myself, when we have mystical experiences, we see these geometric patterns. And the best way that I can describe those geometric patterns is with a kaleidoscope. And so we use the kaleidoscope to induce a level of trance. When you stare into those beautiful images, what's going to happen is you're going to stop thinking. And when you're in trance, you're more suggestible to information. And suggestibility is your ability to accept, believe, and surrender to information without analyzing it. And the more suggestible you are, the less analytical you are. The more analytical you are, the less suggestible you are to information. And so we use the trance state from using the kaleidoscope to increase your level of suggestibility and decrease your analysis, so that when you go from the kaleidoscope to your mind movie, you're not going to say, oh, that can't happen to me. It didn't happen last time. No, it's not going to work. You're not going to do that. The critic will be gone. And you'll begin to take that information and encode it right into your subconscious. Just like when you're staring at the television and they're telling you need a flu shot.
So the best way to do the whole procedure is to watch Kaleidoscope for 8 minutes. Right after that, you watch your mind movie for 3 to 4 minutes. Joe Dispenza recommends doing the same procedure for 2 to 3 times. But after that, you don't need to watch Kaleidoscope for 8 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes will do, since your brainwaves are already in alpha state. There are millions of people using the mind movies to achieve their goals, and this technique is simply breathtaking. It's proven to be the best technique for reprogramming your beliefs. It's impossible to achieve anything new, anything different if you're thinking and feeling the same way. You know this is true. In order for you to start thinking differently, you need to have new beliefs. And Mind Movie is just a perfect tool to change your old programs. Imagine this: if you would like to have $1 million, and you are sure there is no reasonable and rational way to have it, your belief is that you just can't have it, because your analytical mind is telling you that it's just impossible. It makes perfect sense that you won't have that money. No opportunity, no idea, no circumstance will present itself to you so that you can get that money. But what would happen if you would believe you already are a millionaire, without a shadow of a doubt? Then anything would be possible for you. You might have a new idea, you might be a part of some brilliant business. There is infinite possibilities that could happen to you. This is just an example. You can have anything you want. You can have perfect health. You can have a relationship you always wanted. I mean, you pick. So many of you would like to try this, and you can right away at Dr. Joe Dispenza.
Tình yêu đâu cứ phải muốn là quên được ngay, còn thương em nên anh đau lòng lắm đây. Dù ra sao anh cũng chẳng thể đổi thay. Một cuộc sống không em anh phải làm sao đây? Tự thương lấy mình thôi đến đâu nhiều rồi, tự mình vô về thôi khi không ai cạnh bên. Tập yêu bản thân thôi để không phải buồn, rồi người thương hoa người rừng cứ sao lệ mi tuôn. Tự thương lấy mình thôi chẳng ai thay đổi, tự mình cố vượt qua nỗi đau sẽ bối xóa. Tập yêu bản thân thôi chớ nên yêu vội, tình yêu đâu phải trò chơi để cho ta lạc lối.
There are many mind movies you can buy for different areas of your life. The prices go up to $100. I made my own movie and so can you. With a little editing knowledge you can make it. However, if the prices are too high for you and you just don't know how to make your own movie, in the next week or two I will make mind movies for wealth, health, relationships, self-love and confidence. I will give you previews of those videos so you can decide if you like them. Only the Platinum members of the Good Vibes channel will have the access to full movies. The price of becoming the Platinum member is $10, which is symbolic fee for everything you will get. There are also many mind movies uploaded to YouTube, maybe that can help, but you will have to switch from Kaleidoscope to mind movies and repeat that process. I will make mind movie up to 25 minutes long. It will contain everything you need. Your job is only to sit down and watch. First 8 minutes of Kaleidoscope, then the mind movie, after that 3 minutes of Kaleidoscope, then your mind movie for the second time, after that one more circle of Kaleidoscope and the mind movie once again. So the whole thing should be 23 to 25 minutes long. Joe Dispenza recommends watching this whole session 2 times a day, for 30 days. The best time to watch it is early in the morning or in the evening. It's because in the morning and evening we are still in alpha states. We feel drowsy and sleepy, but also present. And this is exactly the state we want to achieve with Kaleidoscope. If you can do even a short meditation before you start, for 10 minutes if possible, just focusing on your breathing and your heart center. That will help you calm your mind and enter alpha states easier. If you can't watch it twice a day, you should watch it at least 1 time. If you miss a day, don't worry, just continue when you're ready. I hope I didn't forget to say anything. If you would like to try this, that would be great. I will create my movies for you for a symbolic price. As a Platinum member, you will have the full access to videos as soon as they are uploaded, which will happen in the next 2 weeks. And of course previews, so you will know what you are getting. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss my next videos, where I will explain when you can find the movies and see what they look like. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay good and have a great day.